Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. You're highly welcome. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make an underdress for your lace fabric. This is an updated version. If you have not seen the previous one, I will link it down in the description box or somewhere on the screen. So first I have satin fabric folded into 2 yards of satin fabric folded into 4 equal parts, and then I drew a line at the top which is going to serve as our starting point. From there I placed 6 inches on it, and I'm going to mark the length of the underdress. Here I am marking the shoulder measurement divided by 2 minus 1.5 inches, and then from that point I came down by 3 inches, which is going to be the armhole. I'm going to mark the shoulder divided by 2 minus 1.5 again on the down part, and then I will go ahead to mark quarter of the bust measurement I'm working with here, and then we'll connect in a slant to the neck point. So using the ruler now, I'm going to connect like so, making sure it's a slant. You don't want to curve this point. Next, I'm going to add extra 2 inches for allowance at that point, and then placing my tape from 6 inches at the top again. I'm going to mark the waistline, which is 16.5 inches, and then we will mark the waist round measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch of ease. I mark that, then an extra 2 for allowance. From here now we're going to mark straight to the hem in a slant. It's like an A shape on the inside, it's not fitted. So from there we're going to take that out, but you may like to measure your hip line to be sure that what you have on the hip is a bit more than your actual hip measurement. So here I had exactly that. So next I'm cutting, as you can see, starting from the upper part and then to the sides. So after cutting that out, we're going to fold another piece to cut out a facing for both pieces, front and back. So folded into two now, I'm going to align the dress on it, making sure the folded edges are together, and then I will trace out the neckline and the armhole like so. We're going to fold again to cut a second one. There are two pieces, so one for the front and the other for the back. After cutting this now, I will take it to the machine and fold the down part like so. I will do the same for this second piece. After that, we are going to cut out the piece for the strap. So we took out 6 inches for from the dress, which means 6 for the front and then 6 for the back. So this strap here now, I'm marking 1.5 inches, which is going to be the width, and then for the length is going to be 6 in front plus 6 at the back, then plus another half to join to the front and half to join to the back. So all in all, we're going to be cutting out 13 inches long. But for now, I marked more than 13 inches. We'll be trimming that to the actual length later on. So next, I'm going to go fold this in quarter inch on both sides, and then fold again into 2, and then sew like so for both of the straps, and then we'll be back. So here is the facing. I folded the lower part, as you can see, and here are the straps. I also sewed another line on it just for design purposes. So now I'm going to measure out 13 inches and cut out for the two. Please give this video a like if you're enjoying it, and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much. So next now I'm going to take one piece of this dress, and then on the neckline I will mark half inch inwards on both sides of the neck like so. Then we're going to place the straps at that point. I'm using my pin now to hold it in place, and I will do the same for this other side. Next, we're going to place the facing on top of this, right sides together. Please note that this strap is pinned on the right side. So we're placing the right side of the facing on top of it. We're going to go sew like so using 1/2 inch. After that, this is what we have. I'm trimming off the excess, and then I will turn it to the right side for you to see. So after turning to the right side, this is what we have. You can go ahead and iron so that everything lays flat, and this is the right side. So next, now for the other piece, I'm placing it like so. The right side is facing up, as you can see. So I'm going to measure 1/2 inch again, from 1/2 inch in from both sides of the neckline, and then so I'm going to place the right side of this other piece to the other piece like so, making sure that the strap is not twisted. So while pinning, you make sure that it's straight and it's the right side of the upper piece. You know, front and back are the same at this point, so yeah, make sure it's not twisted, and then we'll place the second facing on it and go sew the same way we did the first piece. After that, this is what we have. Now we are going to join both the front and the back together. Remember, we added 2 inches for allowance, so we're going to join using 2 inches at that point, and then as we get to the hem, we'll just open up and sew all the way down. Then we'll hem the lower part. This is it after joining the sides and hemming the lower part. And next, you want to go ahead and add hemming gum to this side of the facing to hold it down nicely. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the other version of this underdress posted on the channel, the link will be in the description box below, and here is it on the dress. Thank you so much for watching.